Dear students, good morning to one and all. I'm glad that you are fine and hope you are good at home. During this COVID-19, please stay at home and be safe. I myself, Samina Firdos from Everest Pre-Primary School. See, last class I have explained you about healthy life. I have started new chapter in previous class, and I have given detailed information about healthy life. How to be healthy, what are the things to be eaten, varieties of food we have to take, and which is the healthiest place. See, which was the healthiest place that you could imagine. In last class I have said that Earth is the healthiest place that we could imagine, isn't it? Like I said that Earth is the healthiest place where we could imagine. We can live a good life and where we can breathe is on the Earth. Like I said that who were very furious. Some of the witches are very furious. They got very angry because in many years back in olden days, people were very healthy. Why they were healthy? They ate varieties of food. That means different types of vegetables they were eating. They were eating a lot of fruits, lot of vegetables, and drinking water also in a purified water. Nowadays we are like already we have stick for purified water. In that no mixed water, only pure water was there. They were drinking those they were dealing a very good life by doing exercises, by enjoying. They were enjoying walking, running and playing and leaping about. Like I said that by seeing this good health, some of the witches got very angry. They were very furious. What they made? They made a plan that they have like many of the witches, they assembled in one forest, and they decided that we have to we have to create one potion. Magical potion. What I said, what is a potion? A potion is what is a potion? A potion is a magical drink which has poisonous properties. It has been created like germs, virus, etc. etc. See, one day what happened? One boy was playing in a forest. He is not playing in a forest like Pablo Sacrisan has narrated like this. One boy was like, one day a little boy found this bottle. He was like passing to the jungle. He saw one bottle. Nowadays children are, I think in olden days or nowadays children are very furious and very, they are very happy to, if they will see one thing, they will stick to that one thing. He saw one bottle. What he is seeing? He thought of it's a juice. For that reason he drank. Really he was not aware that what it is inside that bottle. It was so he drank that potion, and what has happened? He didn't like vegetables, fruits and good food. He was involved to the taste of restaurants, eating ice cream and going outside. He was waiting for his father not to come home to bring his favorite things. It may be like pizza, burger, etc. etc. And he was interested in watching television. Okay. Now, I will continue from this. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. Like I said that he was not enjoying fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables play very important, very vital role in our day-to-day, day-to-day life, isn't it? Yes or no? Even though in this situation, COVID-19, doctors recommend to eat fresh vegetables and fruits, isn't it? To boost our immunities. Next, once again I will request all my students, be home, safe home, be in home. Please wash your hands, use sanitizers. Okay, I hope all are doing better. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. He had not feel like walking, running and playing with his friends. He was not at all interested in walking, playing, running with his friends. He is always interested in eating good food. That means according to him, good food is pizza, burger, like that. Okay. Eventually he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. See, he was not interested to go outside. He was sitting in his house and he is playing. In which thing he was playing? I think he is playing with mobile or something like that, watching television, and he was sleeping. Every time he is like tired. Next, the evil potion has worked. That means the potion is working, because before drinking that potion he was so energetic. He was eating lots of vegetables, lots of fruits. After drinking that potion, his life totally changed. Okay, then he started feeling ill, isn't it? If the children, they won't do any work, automatically they will feel like ill, bored, isn't it? For that reason, we have to eat fruits and vegetables. And the worst thing of all was that the witches have learned to jump from one person to another like virus. See, that potion has been conserved and turned into the virus. Okay. For that reason, we have to be safe at home and we have to eat different varieties of fruits and vegetables. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst disease. That disease name is the disease of wasting life. See, what was in exam test, I can ask like this, you can expect like this question. What was the disease name? Wasting life was the disease name. What was the disease name? What the disease name called? Wasting life was the disease name. Okay, the name of the disease is wasting life. The witches are very happy that this boy is no more healthier. Okay, the boy is no more healthier. By drinking that potion, the boy has become, his taste has become separated. Okay, his tongue taste is asking more pizza burger. Next, it was a long while before, with the help of his microscope, Dr. Felton Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. Anyhow, doctor has found out this disease name and he has got the treatment. What is the treatment? Come, we will see. There was no vaccine or cough mixture to get rid of this. No vaccine has been prevented. Then how this disease has to be cured? Come, we will see what the narrator is saying. The doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. See, the people were healthy before, isn't it? The people were healthy before. Adu nodakaglilla witches ge. They got very angry. Why the people are very healthy? Why they are not doing why they are not falling ill? For that reason, they decided and they made a potion. And the doctor also invented how this has happened, how the boy has been turned, how the people are being sick, how these peoples are not more healthy. The question is like this, and he got that answer. Who got the answer? Doctor got the answer. How he got the answer? What the answer is? Come, let us find out. The doctor found out that for that disease no vaccine is there. Vaccine means injection is not there. What do you mean by vaccine? A treatment makes the body resist an infection. See, it's an infection in our body, isn't it? That virus infection is there inside our body. How can we cure that one? We have to cure by injection, isn't it? By vaccine. But the thing is, for that disease, no vaccine has been come. Now COVID-19 also still they are saying vaccines are coming. It's already prepared. It's already been checked out. But the thing is, what's happening? For that reason, please students, please be at home and be safe. And I request all my students and all my parents to stay at home and make your children to be safe and let them boost their energy level by eating good things. Next, the doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate, like I said, that they didn't tolerate the joy and happiness and good health from the people. For that reason, they have created all these plans. It turned out the best cure was to make a strong effect to live a healthy. See, what's the best cure? We have to take precautions. We have to eat good and energetic drinks. We have to eat good, lot of good thing, good items. What do you mean by that good items? It may be like varieties of food. It may be ragi, it may be johar, it may be pulses, it may be like spices, good things which suits your body. I think every vegetables will suits your body, but the thing is we have to adopt and we have to be the favorite of that. We should make the favorite vegetable to our tongue, isn't it? Yes or no? Everybody will love the vegetables and fruits, but the thing is in a certain period, like especially children, they don't like vegetables and fruits. Why? Because their tongue is asking for a special taste. They have been conserved with the street food. They have conserved so much, their tongue has been conserved so much to the street food. For that reason they will avoid vegetables and fruits. After some certain period, they come to know, oh, these are the good the items that I have missed in my life, and they will conserve. See students, please conserve adopt all the good food to your day-to-day or daily basis. That will help and cure, that will avoid the diseases from your surroundings. Okay, the doctor also, Dr. Fitton Healthy, he is also saying the same thing. Okay. It turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy, joyful and happy life. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave the body as soon as they could, riding off on a sneeze. What do you mean by sneeze? Sneeze is nothing but akshi in Kannada. Okay, I think everybody are laughing. My ma'am, she is doing like that. Okay, next, see what I am saying is, if any diseases is occurring near us, it's there near us, what we have to take? We have to take precaution. We should never play with the disease. Whatever the diseases remedies are there, we have to take that one. Okay, the doctor also saying the same thing. Please be strict or avoid all the things that virus will occur. See, anyhow, if the body is injected or got virus in that, what we have to do? By injecting or being healthy, by eating good food and doing exercise, you can avoid the infection or virus. From then on, the best remedy was neither pulse nor injection, but just a little bite of effort to eat some fruits and vegetables and do some exercise. Like I said before, what the doctor is saying, now the doctor also saying in this case, doctor also saying the same thing. Please build your immunity to fight against COVID-19. See what the thing doctor is saying. Please see, after getting virus, it's very difficult to survive. For that reason, we have to take remedies to stay away from the virus. What we have to do? We have to, little effect will be there. Efforts we have to put from our side. That we have to eat some vegetables or fruits and do some exercise. Isn't it? By doing exercise, we can make our body fit. We can keep our body fit. Whoever came to see Dr. Fitton Healthy and took his advice, whoever came to take advice from him, to show him what has happened to me, something has happened to me, my body is not reacting, my body is it has been tired up. For that reason, he said that whatever thing has been happened, whatever diseases or virus attacking through their bodies, the only answer was they have to eat lots of vegetables and lots of fruits, etc., and healthy food. Next, ended up totally well, being cured of the wasting life disease. It's already, if you take good food, fresh fruits and vegetables, automatically the disease it will go. The virus automatically it will go from your body. Yes or no? I think you have understood this lesson. If you have any doubts, you can call me personally. You know my number. See, I think I will chuck one some test. You can ask me, ma'am, she has gone mad, she is giving test, and because we are not there, how can we give test? I know that you are listening to me and you are preparing for the first chapter. I will check your questions. If you have any questions, you can consult me. Fill in the blanks using suitable words from the words given in the bracket. This is page number 5, first chapter. If you answer these 6 questions, you can, I promise you that you can understand this. You have understood this full chapter. The earth was the dash place where adults and children enjoyed good life. I'll give you 2 options, that is dirtiest or healthiest. See, you guess it right, it's healthiest. The earth was the healthiest place where adults and children enjoyed good life. Second one of the witches was dash about people being healthy. Who felt what the witches felt? They felt furious or powerful? Yes, guess it right, it's furious. One of the witches was very furious. What do you mean by furious? Angry. Furious means angry. One of the witches was furious about people being healthy. Next question. There was a big dash that destroyed the forest. One thing has happened, right? See, when the incident has happened, when some of the witches means that all witches has been like stuck to, they planned to reach in one place. They said that already before they have discussed, we have to stay or we have to discuss in one place. See, at that time something has been gone wrong. For that reason, what happened? There was a big thunder or explosion. There was a dash that destroyed the forest. There was a big explosion, full dhamaka that destroyed the forest. The witches were dash in a small bottle. What has happened? The witches were dash in a small bottle. Trapped or gathered? No. See, all witches were gathered but trapped in one bottle. That boy drank that potion, right, in that bottle that has been created like virus and germs. That one. The witches were dash in a small bottle, trapped. There was no dash to get rid of the witches. It's a mixture or vaccine. See, you guess it right, it's vaccine. There was no vaccine to get rid of the witches. Next one, the last one. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave the body riding on a dash. Cough or sneeze. It's sneeze. Next, I think you have understood this chapter. Once again, I will I'll ask questions for you. I know many of the students, they know the answer because it's very easy. Which was the healthiest place that you could imagine? Earth is the healthiest place that we could imagine, isn't it? In question they have asked you and we have to answer we. Earth is he is asking which was, now present tense. This is past tense, was is past tense. Now earth, we are living in the earth, isn't it? Earth is this is the difference. 2 differences are there in this question. Which was, we have to use is. This is past tense, was is past tense, is present tense. Yes, I know all my students are intelligent, you know that one. Yes, earth is the healthiest place that we. In question it is you and we have to answer like we. Earth is the healthiest place that we could imagine. Who were very furious? What do you mean by furious? Very angry. Yes. Who were very furious? The witches were very furious. Who were very furious? The witches were very furious. What is a potion? What is a potion? A potion is a magical drink which has poisonous properties, isn't it? The properties, it may be virus, germs, etc., etc. What is a potion? A potion is a magical drink which has poisonous properties. Next, what was the disease name? What was the disease name? Wasting life was the disease name. What was the disease name? Wasting life was the disease name. If you have any doubts, you can please free to call me. I can sort everything. Thank you so much.